Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel LuxAlgo trading indicator subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, you can cancel your subscription only by using your account. Okay, so first of all you need to log in into your account, and you can see there is an example of how to cancel your subscription. Like when you log in into your account, you will see this kind of interface, and you need to click on your profile icon once you logged in, and you need to click on account settings, and once you click on account settings you need to visit on billings section, and in the billing section you will see my subscription page. Over here you can see your subscription and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so my dear friend, this is the information how you can cancel your LuxAlgo subscription. So if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, or you can also chat with their customer support team, and like they will guide you how you can cancel your subscription. So these are the two methods, and that's it. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.